Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So over here we got the inverter, we got a battery, and we got a battery generator. So in the future I'm gonna get a solar panel to charge this, and then this is gonna power the battery charger, and it's gonna charge the battery. And then I'm gonna get more battery banks and get more batteries, so then I got more amp hours. And then eventually I'm gonna build a system so I can power those crypto miners. That's the plan. So then we'll be mining coins for free. And then you become like your own bank, so to say, you know. So yeah, that's the plan. Is to build a big battery bank. Always keep it charged. I'm gonna top it up with the solar charge. Solar. And then yeah. So, baby steps.